Rahim. The topic is how to solve double angle and triple angle kind of questions. So first of all, how to manage? You will assume this as alpha as we always do, and sine will go on the other end. It becomes sine inverse, you know very well. After this, and you know we will make a cross, okay? Cross, we make it, and sine is positive. Sine is positive. So you know very well when sine is positive, positive is on first quadrant and second quadrant. Same story I will apply here because 3x, I will write what this 3x as a alpha. Alpha is equals to this cos will go on other end, becomes cos inverse. Okay. So after this, we can make again a cross for it. And you know, cos is positive where? All of you know, according to property of a cast, C-A-S-T cast. So cos is a positive in a first and a fourth quadrant. Okay, this is not a hard thing. So let's see how we can move on next. Up till now, what I taught you, same. And now I'm going to teach you the new, not new up till now. So when you take a sine inverse of half, you get a 30-degree. And you know that we always make between line and x-axis. So it means line and x-axis. Don't put between y and x-axis, line and x-axis. No, don't put here, okay? This is wrong. Always line and x-axis. Done. Similar process here. When I take cos inverse of half, it gives me 60-degree. So 60-degree, I will make line and x-axis. And you know why I'm doing so. Okay. After this, my students, what is next plan? So what is the rule? Now I will bring back this 2x here. Okay, I'm writing here 2x. And now start measurement of angle from diagram. And you know what is method? Start from x-axis always, and especially positive x-axis. Move anti-clockwise till line. So let's see one. So start from here and stop. So first answer is here. And I'm going to write here 30. Okay. Then I'm going to write the other one. Other angle is start from positive x-axis, move, and stop. So I think so all of you familiar when we have this 30 and we need to find this angle. You say, sir, full is 180, but I don't need this one. So I can say here 180 minus 30. So 180 minus 30, and which you type in calculator will give you 150. So I am writing direct answer 150. So some reason behind it. Okay, I got this too, and I call a special name. I will give them as a principal angles, or basic angles, or principal angles. Principal angles. Okay, I call as a principal angles. Okay, when I will say inshallah, I will call them as a principal angles. Okay. After having principal angles, what you will do, a new part, and which I'm going to do with a red color. So both principal angles, you will add 360. Compulsory, only 360. I will tell later why. And first I add here, and now I'm adding the other one. So 360 plus 150. So short story, 360 you will add in this, and 360 you will add in this. So I think so very, very clear idea. After having this, what is the plan? This two will divide every angle. So it means when to divide this, I get 15. When to divide this, I get 75. And this is when you divide 360 plus 13, 390. So 390 divided by 2. So we like this one. So 100, and we can say it is also very, very clear. Okay. Yes, students. So first answer is coming naturally 290 by 2, 145. Now similarly, this angle, I will type in calculator, and after 2 divided. So is
Sir,
very,
it's
very,
It's 195.
okay, okay, 360, that's okay, 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 I got it. By mistake, I
395.
Yeah.
divide the other one. Thank you very much. 195. Thank you very much. Okay. Yes, right.
Sir, do you like
And let,
always add them with 360?
so yes, students, I think up till now clear. And now I'm adding these two values and dividing by 2 because left hand side 2. So I will add first and this 2 will divide. So let's see what answer comes. This 360 plus 150 divided by 2. So answer come 255. Okay. So this is my answer. First part is very, very clear. But let's talk about 3x. Then 3x we have a special criteria. So some students can ask me, sir, if we asked from 360 degree, so we have to write all 4 answers. But if he asks till no, start 0 till 180 degree, then I will take these two only, which is in our range. So that's it. So this extra part I taught you. Now let's go on this question. How to do this question? So let's concentrate first of all. Every time start from X and measurement and move anti-clockwise till line. So first answer is this, which is clearly 60 degree. So I'm writing here 3x equals to 60 degree. First principal angle came here. Second principal angle start from positive x-axis and this much. And that is very, very clear. And you know, if I have to, don't leave this full is 360 degree, but this I don't want. So I can say here that answer is 360 minus 60, which is equal to 300. I can write direct. The principal angles I'm writing direct. So principal angles are very, very clear to you. Now I'm going to do next part. And here tricky, some trick is there. And I want to do the both principal angles. One time add 360 in first angle, 360 plus 60. And similarly, 360 plus 300. Okay, wait a minute, please. I repeat, these basic angles, I will add 360, done. I add 360, done. But game is not over. I will add 720 in 60 and 720 in 300. Now, in mind, you have question, why, sir, so? Why we are doing this process? Again, 60 add in 720 and 360 add in 720. So logic is only one. Let me tell you logic. What is the logic behind it? Because
Where
my
did
students,
720 came?
okay, because let me tell you, every one cycle we have two answers. For example, look at this is the first answer, this is the second answer for one cycle. But when he asks about the two, you can see here, this is two. Whenever two conditions come, so we have to go for two cycles. And two cycles, let me plot all values for you. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Let me show you first, one by one. Look at here. First answer, second answer, third answer, fourth answer. And let me make this cross here. Okay. So this is a basic cross. This is our basic cross. I think you know. Okay, let me write again. So what the first answer is, I show the blue color. This is my first answer. I write here 1. Then this is my second answer. I write here 2. Okay. Now again, basically, if I rotate 360 degree plus first basic angle, I'll get a third answer. Okay. 360 degree plus second basic angle, I got a fourth answer. That is why this is called first cycle. This is called second cycle. So it means actually I rotate for one cycle and second cycle. That is why we got a 4 answers for the first question. And now I'm going to do same process in the second. Okay. Let's see now what happens in the second question. So first of all, I tell you, let me first answer first. Then I talk about the whole process. So first answer is 3 divided by 60. My answer is coming here 20. 3 divided by 300. I'm getting here simply 100. And after that, I got 360 plus 60 and divided by 3, I got 140. fourth answer, this one divided by this 3. So what happened? I got 660 divided by 3 and I'm getting 220. Now I talk about this angle and let's see what happens then. I got a 780 divided by 3 and I got 260. Last answer, this answer, add and divide by 3 and let's see answer comes 1020 divided by 3. I got 340. Now I want to elaborate what happened, what the whole story happened here. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. So look at here. Short story. If we have a 2x here, okay, let me start from beginning. If I have a single x, here, then I have two answers. 30 and 150. If I have a 2x here, then we have not two answers. We have 4 answers. If we have a not 2 here, if we have a 3 here, then we have 6 answers. So it means for each cycle, we have 2 answers, each cycle. So each cycle means, what is cycle I'm representing here? Let me show you cycle means what. Cycle means starting from here till this is called one cycle. And for x, one cycle. For 2x, I will go for one cycle, again go 2 cycle. And for the 3x's, 3. 1 cycle, 2 cycle, and 3 cycle. I think so now you got a better picture. And because one cycle is okay, but for second cycle, look at here. I'm already had 360 degree. So when I move on forward, so I add 360 plus. 360 plus. But when I go for second cycle, look at second cycle complete. When I start for third cycle, it's become 360 plus 360 becomes 720. That is why whenever I will go for 3x, okay, so one time I will add 360, look at here. And second time add 720. So I hope so. Now I can show you another picture where maybe you understand better. Inshallah. Look at here. How many answers I having here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 6 answers. I can prove it. How? So let basic principal angles are in first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. I'm going to make here. First and 4. So I have a first, okay. And again, I make it here. Wait a minute, please. This I make here. I can't make all, but anyway, I try my best to explain you all. So I have 5. So first answer this. Second answer is, sorry. Second answer is not here. Second answer is this. Third answer is 360 plus this. Wait a minute, this is not correct. I'll make again this diagram. Okay, 360 plus this. And fourth, I make diagram again. Maybe inshallah understand better. 360 plus this. And this diagram I make again. Now I hope so you got it. And now 360 plus 360, 720 plus this. So one diagram left behind. So I can, and I think you can understand the idea very, very clear. And we have done the all ideas clear. And that's it. And I add more and inshallah onward. Yes, students, let's start. Now I'm going to discuss 2 more examples with you so you can have a better idea. So first of all, look at here. In this time, in the bracket, we don't have 2x only. We have 10 as well. So let's see how we can, rest process same. Assume for a while alpha, and you know very well every time. I hope so. Now you got reason that why our teacher always take as alpha. I think clear. Now I will take the cross. Sign is positive first quadrant and second quadrant. And if I take this one, it is coming 60 degree. 60 degree I'll make with the x and line. Both is a very, very clear. Same process. Let's continue here, right hand side. Alpha is equal to cos inverse root 3 by 2. And alpha is coming here 30 degree. I'll make a cross and cos positive in first and the fourth quadrant. So 30 here, 30 here. So let's start measurement and let's start. First of all, I will bring back this here, okay? And I will write here 2x plus 10 is equals to first angle. If you check it here with I show you the start from positive x-axis, first 60, second 180 minus 60. So I can say directly, I will save my time, 60 and 180 minus 60 become 120. Now, Some do student they do one mistake. What? They divide, subtract 10, divide by 2. No, no, no. You will not do this one until unless you get all angles. Okay. Now, because 2x here, go for second cycle. Second cycle means 360 plus 60 and 360 plus 120. I repeat my idea once again, what I'm saying. These two are called principal angles, and one time this add and one time, sorry, this add. So I think so very, very clear idea, this one. There's nothing new anymore now. How to solve it now? Okay, I'm solving. This 10 will subtract from 60, become 50 and divide by 2. Okay, I show once, but I will not show every step. No, no. One time only I'm showing. Or I show the second also. This subtract and 120 minus 10 and divide by this 2. So it means, alhamdulillah, clear. And next part I'm doing directly, and let's see how we can do the rest part. Okay, this is coming 50, I got 25. Okay, this is coming 110 and divided by 110 divided by 255 comes. Okay, let's talk about the other one. So what happened? This 10 subtract from here. Okay, so okay, let me show even this. No issue at all with me. I will just show you. Minus 10 divided by 2. And it's coming 360, 300 and 290 divided by 2. It's coming 145. And last, I have no space. I'm doing same process. 10 subtract and 2 divide. So 360 plus 120 and subtract 10 divided by 2. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And I showed the answer. The answer is coming 235. I did not show you process here, but you know I put dot dot. So this is my answer of the first question. Come back here. How to do this one? Bring back in the place of alpha, this one. So I'm writing here 3x. This is a 3 actually, not a look like 2. Let me make right 3. This is a 3. Okay. Now 3x minus 20 is equal to first basic principal angle. Principal is a 30, first principal angle, and second is 360 minus 30. So I'm writing all 30 comma 300, and I think you know that why I'm writing so. Now, because it's 3, and I will go for 3 cycles. For first cycle, 360, first cycle is done. Now for second cycle, 360 plus 30 and 360 plus 300. So I'm sure you are understanding this idea. Repeat. So this add in the first and this add in 360 again. Now because I have 3 here, I will go 720 plus first principal angle 30 and comma and 720 plus second principal angle 300. I hope so up till now you're not getting any issue. Now I'm going to show you, but I'm not showing each step. Now this 20 minus sign, when it will go there, we'll add. And when add, after adding, so and divide by this 3. So I'm going to show one step only. 30 plus 20 divided by 3. And rest I'm not showing, so this answer is 50 divided by 3 is coming 16.7 degree. Now rest I'm just showing a process, or I show this also. 300 plus 20 divided by 3. It means 320 and divided by 3. It is giving me answer 106.7 degree. And rest I think I put dot, 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 but you can do yourself. And let me write answers directly. And how directly? So I will add, it become 390, 20 add and divide by 3. I think it's a very, very clear. Typing it here, 390 plus 20 and divide by 3. Answer is coming.
Sir, wouldn't it be 330?
Wait a minute.
The second solution.
Oh, yes. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, my son. Thank you very much. I did
No
mistake.
problem, sir.
So I'll make correction all. Thank you very much. I think rest okay. So 330 and 330 also here. And wait a minute. And 330 here and 330 here. So it means this also mistake here. So I mean, I will make it change. Okay. So this is 330. Okay. Now I'll check again. So 350 divided by 3. So my answer is coming 116.7. Okay, and now I'm writing this one, and 20 will add and divide by 3. So I can say here 390, 390 plus 20, 410 divided by 3. So answer is coming 136.7. I got third answer. Now similarly, this one I will add, and 20 will add there. So I can say that 360 plus 330 plus 20 and divide by 3. My answer is coming 236.7. So so this 20 will also add in this. So I think it's very, very clear. So I'm getting 750 already plus 20 and divide by 3. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. I'm getting 256.7. And last answer, 720 plus 330 and plus 20 and divide by 3. And congratulations, I got 356.7. So that's why you can see that I got a 6 answer, and that's it. Okay.